Situation 4. A simply supported beam has the following properties. You're given the area, the depth, flange width. So we can assume now that this is a wide flange, no, yung cross section niya. Flange width, flange thickness, web thickness, that's moment of inertia, yield strength, and allowable flexural stress. So given lahat. So number 1, solve for the moment capacity of the beam. So pinapahanap lang yung moment capacity. Okay, so for number 1, madali lang yun i-solve. Number 1. 'Di ba ang allowable ang actual bending stress natin is MC over I. Okay? Which is ang idea, hindi yan pwedeng lumagpas doon sa allowable na 163. Okay? So ito lang yung pinapahanap, moment capacity ito. Okay? So we have M, ano yung C natin? So since ito ay wide flange, ganito yung wide flange. Ayan, no? So, ang neutral axis niya nandito sa X. Okay, so ibig sabihin, yung C natin, ito. O di kaya ito nasa ilalim. Okay, which is half lang ng overall depth. Okay, so ang overall depth natin ay 465. Okay, tapos isa pa, itong M na to, oops, i-assume ko na ano siya, na kilonewton meter. Para yung sagot natin na kilonewton meter na kagad. So, imumultiply ko na to kagad ng 1 million. MC over I. Tapos yung I given naman eh. Times 10 to the 8. So, dapat hindi siya lalagpas ng 163. So, makukuha natin yung maximum moment capacity. So, we have 163 times 4.36 times 10 to the 8 over 465 over 2 times 10 to the 6. So, that gives us 305.67. Okay. So, in the choices, most likely answer would be letter A, no? Pinakamalapit. Okay? Next, number 2. To strengthen the beam, 150 mm wide and 12 mm thick cover plate is added both at the top and the bottom flange. Compute the resulting moment capacity of this section. So, kumbaga, ni-reinforce daw. Ito, ni-reinforce. So, number 2, parang may wide flange tayo. Okay, pero naglagay ng cover plate. So, naglagay ng plate dito sa ibabaw, tsaka sa ilalim. Okay, ang dimension ng plate na nilagay ay 150 mm wide, tapos 12 mm thick. Okay, so ito yung overall depth, di ba? 465. So, ito 12 pa rin. Tapos ito, 150. Ayan. Okay? So, ngayon, pinapahanap yung bagong moment capacity. So, malamang, mas malaki na dito yung moment capacity niyan. Okay, kaya ang technique dito, guys, kung halimbawa, nakuha mo naman ng tama itong number 1, tingnan mo yung number 2 choices agad. Kapag halimbawa na isa lang dyan, yung malaki dito, yun na yung sagot. No? Kaya lang, nagkataon dito na lahat sila mas malaki. No? So, hindi tayo pwede manghula, di ba? Pwede sana manghula eh. No? Pwede ka nang wag mag-solve. Kung halimbawa, na-solve mo tong una, tapos yung una na yan, ito na nga. So, yan yung moment capacity nung wala pang cover plate. So, ngayon, sa number 2, naglagay ng cover plate. So, common sense dictates na mas magiging matibay ito. So, ibig sabihin, yung moment capacity niya magiging mas malaki sa 306. So, ang sinasabi ko, pag halimbawa, sinilit niyo yung mga choices, at halimbawa na isa lang dyan yung lumagpas sa 306, yun na yung sagot. No, wag ka na mag-compute, no, sa board exam. Pero ngayon, kung mapapansin nyo, matataas lahat yung nas choices. Kaya dito kailangan nating mag-solve. Okay? So anyway, ang kailangan nating isolve na panibago dito is yung moment of inertia. Kasi itong moment of inertia na binigay, para lang yan doon sa wide flange without the cover plates. Okay? At saka isa pa, mag-iiba na rin yung C natin kasi ito na ngayon yung extreme fiber natin, no? So, ngayon, hanapin muna natin kung nasaan yung bago niyang neutral axis. So, kung mapapansin kasi natin, symmetrical naman yung nilagay sa ibabaw, nilagay sa ilalim. So, ibig sabihin, yung centroid natin will remain at the x-axis of the wide flange. So, dito pa rin yung NA natin. Pero kung sakali na hindi symmetrical yan, paano hanapin yung NA? You will apply Varignon's theorem. Okay, para hanapin ito. Pero again, symmetrical naman siya. So, nandun pa rin, hindi gagalaw yung neutral axis natin. So, ang kailangan lang natin i-resolve ngayon is yung moment of inertia. Okay, so our new moment of inertia for number 2 would be, let's start with the wide flange. Ang moment of inertia ng wide flange ay ito, 4.36 times 10 to the 8. Okay? And then because the centroid of the wide flange coincides with the new centroid, then wala tayo dito ang transfer formula. Wala yung plus AD squared. No? So yan na yun. Next, para naman sa cover plates, so we will have, dahil rectangle yan, B, H, cube over 12. And then dahil yung centroid nito ay merong distance mula dun sa global centroid, o di kailangan natin ngayon mag-add ng AD squared or AY squared. So ilan to? So that is 465 over 2 plus 12 over 2. No? And that gives us 238.5. Ayan. Okay? So therefore, the area of the cover plate is 150 by 12 times yung distance na 238.5 squared. Okay? So that is only for the bottom. Pero take note, meron ka sa bottom, meron ka rin sa top. So, kailangan dito i-times 2. Ayan. Okay? And that will calculate our new moment of inertia about the neutral axis. So that is 640.819. Ayan. Okay? So ngayon, we can now calculate our new moment capacity. So ulitin lang natin number 1. No? So MC over I, no, should be at least or should not exceed yung allowable na 163. Okay, and that gives us M. Yung C natin, ito na ha. Yung C natin, ito na. Hanggang dito na sa pinakalabas. Okay, and that is 465 over 2 plus 12. 244.5 over I. Yung I natin, ito. This is times 10 to the 6. Okay, and from there, we can calculate the maximum moment capacity. So that gives us 427.21. Okay, so that will be the moment capacity. Approximately letter A. Okay, and then number 3, the beam is to carry a moment of 480 kilonewton meter. Cover plates at the top and the bottom of the flange are to be added to strengthen the section. Using a 10 mm thick cover plate, calculate the required width of the cover plate. So ngayon naman, pinapahanap, ano daw dapat yung lapad nito? Para kaya niyang dalhin itong 480 kilonewton meter. Okay, so for number 3, bali, ganito mangyayari. Yung bending stress natin na MC over I, i-compare ulit natin dun sa allowable na 163. So may moment naman na binigay, 480 kilonewton. Tapos yung C natin, okay, so ganito kasi mangyayari. Ito yung wide flange. So this is actually parang similar lang sa number 2, no? Tapos meron tayo dito ang cover plate, top and bottom. Ang tinatanong niya, ano daw dapat yung width nito? Pero ang alam natin, ang depth nito or thickness nito ay 10. Okay? So ito ay ano to? 465. Okay? So ang magiging C natin ngayon, so yung neutral axis natin nasa gitna pa rin dahil symmetrical pa rin naman siya. Ang magiging C natin ay ito, which is 465 over 2 plus 10 over 2. 237.5 over I. So yung I lang natin dito yung magiging problema. Kumbaga yung I yung susolve natin, no? Okay, so yung I kasi in terms of B, no? So isolve muna natin yung magiging I. So yung I natin should be at least, okay, so it should be at least 699.387 times 10 to the 6 millimeter to the fourth. Okay? And how do I compute for that moment of inertia? So we can compute for that using yung ginawa natin kanina. Parang ito lang din ulit. Actually, kung ipa-pattern mo dito yung computation, ito, yun pa rin kasi yan ay sa wide flange. Tapos ito, magiging in terms of B. Ito rin magiging in terms of B. Okay, tapos ito yung Y. Yung Y naman natin dito, ito. From centroid to centroid, that's gonna give us 465. Sorry. May mali ako. Hindi pala ito over 2, ano? Ano lang to, plus 10. Okay, kasi 465 over 2 plus 10 nga pala yan. So ano to? Hindi yan 37.5. Balikan lang natin. So it should be 242.5. Okay, so ito may ano lang dito. 242.5 dapat to. So ito, mag-iiba yung value. Sorry. It should be 714.11. Ayan. Okay. Okay, so as mentioned, no, dito, yung pagka-solve natin si Y, 465 over 2 plus yung kalahati ng thickness. Ito dapat yung ano kanina. Ilan yun? 2, 237.5. Store natin. So, 465 plus 10 over 2. So, ito yung 237.5. Okay, sige. So, paano to computin? So, that is equal to the moment of inertia of the wide flange, which is given in the problem to be 4.36 times 10 to the 8, plus dalawang, okay, B, H cube over 12, plus area, 10B, times yung distance, neto would be 237. 0.5 squared. Ayan. And then all we have to do here is to solve for B. Okay, so okay, and that gives us 246.49. Okay? And okay, so ito na ngayon. As you can see in the choices, naka-ano siya, no? Naka-round off. So, syempre, ang pipiliin natin is dapat kasi ito inequality eh. Dapat kasi ito, no? Greater than or equal or at least 246. So, ibig sabihin, ang sagot natin dito ay 250. Okay? Kumbaga, yan yung minimum yung nakuha natin. So, yung pipiliin natin is yung next higher value or next higher size, no, ng cover plate. All right, and that's how we solve this problem.